I'm Rashmi. Today I'm making a poppy seed and dates roll. So I need dates like 1.5 cup of the whole peated dates, and I'm using almond, pistachio, and I roast it a little bit and make it nice roll with poppy seed. Okay. Here you need to blend it like this. See, it's not too much puree, but little bit like a crunchy type, like 1 tablespoon ghee. And then I put it here. When it's mixed properly with ghee, then I'm start adding all nuts. Now I'm adding the 1/4 cup pistachio. If you want more, you can. And that one is like you need to cut like the halfway like this, not the blend. It's a half teaspoon for the nice flavor. Cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon poppy seed, and later on I cover the roll with poppy seed, but I need to add a little bit. And this is optional. If you like ginger powder, I love it, so I add just a half teaspoon ginger powder, just a little bit. Okay, so that's how I add no sugar. Everything you roast it nicely. Make sure everything proper way stick each other. Turn off the gas. Okay, so here I put everything here. Right. Okay, so if you feel like hot, like do gently little bit, right, this way. Okay, yes, buddy, so nicely. Pistachio, make sure nicely, right, because there is no space in it, otherwise you not cut it properly nice. After rolling this, okay, I put the one pellet here, and I need more poppy seed. It's like this much. Okay. So next, so I cover this poppy seed on this roll. Okay, nice. Oh god, so good. See, aluminum foil here. So I need to put this roll here. Okay, so now I keep this 1 hour in the fridge. Okay, after 1 hour we cut it. 1 hour, you see the tightness of the roll. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I cannot open it, but I just cut it like this way, one by one, with a foil. So let's see how it's look. Yeah, nice work. See? Later on, you need to remove the foil. Can remove the foil automatically. Yes, and I put it like this. So after remove all the aluminum foil, you want to cut without that or cut with the foil. So it's look like this. Awesome. So nice. See you next time, guys. Bye.